Hello traders. After a considerable hiatus from discussing the top-bottom expert advisor, today I will provide a comprehensive review, including both forward test and backtest analyses. Forward test. First, let's delve into the forward test. As you can see here, with an initial investment of $20 plus $269, the total profit achieved to date stands at $2,134, with the highest drawdown reaching 25%. This forward test spans from 2019 to the present year, 2024. The potential gains and losses are evident in the monthly growth statistics. It's important to note that not every month yields a profit. There are moments when the expert advisor incurs losses. However, the guiding principle is the attainment of stable and sustainable profits in the Forex market. Statistical information. Next, let's examine the statistical data. A total of 1993 trades have been executed over the course of 283 weeks of trading, resulting in a win rate of approximately 62%. Drawdown risk. Now, regarding drawdown risk, the drawdown ranges between $42 and $132 in relative terms, while the maximum drawdown based on balance is $361. Currency pairs. This expert advisor operates not only on the pound sterling to Canadian dollar pair but also on other currency pairs. These are the results after 5 years of running the top-bottom expert advisor. Backtest. Next, I will conduct a backtest. According to the backtest results performed by the developer, the profit potential is remarkably high. With an initial capital of $500 and the default settings, I will initiate the backtest. The trading performance can be further optimized by using a low-latency VPS. I have provided a registration link to obtain a low-latency VPS in the video description for more information. Now, let's review the backtest results. With a starting capital of $500, the total profit generated is $3,137, with a drawdown risk of only $32. The modeling quality of this backtest is 99.9%, with historical trading data sourced from Decascopy. Regarding lot sizes, the initial lot size used starts from 0.1. Next, I will run a backtest with the lot size configured to auto-adjust based on balance. You can observe the results here. Top-bottom expert advisor conclusion. Top-bottom EA is an expert advisor, EA, designed for trading with a small capital, featuring an adaptive mechanism that responds to market volatility. It has been employed in live trading for over 4 years. The EA opens only one position at a time with a stop loss, averaging 4 orders per day, and typically holds positions for approximately 12 hours. This EA has undergone backtesting for more than 10 years and supports various currency pairs such as pound sterling to Canadian dollar, euro/SGD, and pound sterling to Swiss franc, with a 1-minute chart. It is recommended to use specific platforms and adjust the lot size according to the provided guidelines to manage risk effectively. The correct mindset is crucial when using this EA, including patience and the understanding that achieving consistent profits requires time and discipline in risk management. Alright, that concludes our review. Thank you for watching until the end.